Slide your arms out in a Y position, your legs out in a Y. So you're in that full DaVinci. Turn your head to one side, take a big breath. Dorsiflex your feet, sending your heels away. Bring your hands a little closer together. Turn your head to look to the right. Start reaching long with your right hand. Look up and follow with your eyes, rolling back. Noticing how your legs twist to the right as well. Keep them dorsiflexed and long. Imagine pressing your feet away from your fingertips and lengthening that whole crisscross. Both fingers, or both hands, both feet, reaching away from each other in a nice big X. One more breath here. And on the exhale, return to the center. Rotate your head to the left. Dorsiflex the feet. Reach through the fingers. Start to lift your left arm up. Follow with your gaze and rotate back again. Lengthening out the fingertips and out the heel of the foot. Finding those connections across your body. Feeling as if you had a TheraBand between the hands and the feet. How it would be completely expanded. Exhale, return to the center. Inhale again. Reach your arm up and let it roll you all the way onto your back. Nice and controlled. From here, arms and legs are going to be wide. Hands come back up closer to the ears. Take your right hand, start to reach it across your body. Follow with your eyes, and then let it rotate you over to the left. Hold in the sideline position, reach long through your heels, and take a big breath here. Expanding in the three-dimensional around your rib cage, widening your sits bones, feeling your breath expand the distance between your heels and your fingertips. Exhale, return to lying on your back. Inhale to prepare. On the exhale, reach your left arm across your face. Follow your hand with your eyes and roll towards the right. Rotating your feet to the right, your legs to the right, so your feet are pointing in the same direction as your hands. Actively reaching long through the heels. Take a breath, expanding the space between the left and right fingertips and the left and right heel. On the next exhale, come to your back. Again, with the right arm, reach it across your body, follow with your gaze, and now this time, follow it all the way so you come back lying on your stomach. From here, your arms will stay wide in the V position, and then we're going to be moving through the legs. Bring your legs together, dorsiflex your feet, slightly bend the right leg, turn the head to the right, lift your heel towards the ceiling, and then bring it up and over. Still connect your hands to the ground, but with this active reach position. Keep reaching long through your heels. Hold here and breathe. Your head can be resting down still, or it can be in a more ready position, lifted up and active. And then exhale, return. Dorsiflex both feet, slightly bend the left leg, reach your heel up, and now reach it over to the right, looking towards the left fingers. Extending, holding, feeling this connection between the hands and feet, the head and the tail. Three-dimensional breath the whole time. And then return to the stomach. This time we're going to be rolling to the right. So we're going to again lift up with our left leg. Lift up and across, come all the way to the back. In this back position, you're in the DaVinci as well. Hands stay wide, legs come together. You're going to slide the right heel up to a 90-90 position. Inhale to prepare, and on the exhale, start to send the knee across, rotating your body. Still finding the distance between the active fingertips and the length of your heel. Breathing into the three dimensions. On the second exhale, Send the right hip and pelvis back down to the floor to initiate the roll back to your back. Slide the right leg out. Slide the left leg up, float it up into a 90-90 position. Reach long through the fingertips, look to the right, and then lead your left knee up and over to the right side, coming into a rotated position on the right. Find that sweet spot where you feel connected and kind of suspended in space by the long reach through your fingers and your heels. Hold here for your breath. And then exhale, send your left pelvis back to the ground to return. This time we're going to roll over, again leading with the left this time. Slide the left leg back up, float it up, reach it up and over. Pause here just to find that connection, and then go ahead and follow with your gaze, leading up and rolling over onto your center.